having an amazing day. I'm here at my parents' house with my mom, and we're gonna do some Christmas decoration decluttering. We started by pulling down all of the Christmas bins so we knew what we were working with and what we needed to go through.
I used to have twice as many.
Should we come up with a goal? Maybe getting rid of one whole bin?
Yeah.
That'd be a good goal.
Yeah.
I love a goal. One of my mom's goals that she mentioned to me earlier is that she has a lot of keepsake ornaments that are in boxes that you want to get rid of the boxes.
Yes.
Make it easier to get to.
Yes, because every year for the last 35 years, I open the box up, unwrap the little Hallmark ornament, hang it on the tree, and then when I'm done, I have so many boxes to rewrap, put the ornaments back in. So it makes me not want to use the ornaments. So my goal is to be able to use the ornaments easily, open up one little plastic bin, put them all on the tree, and then take them down. Because everybody said there's so much value in the boxes. It's like, I'm over that.
We also want to look through and see if there's any that she doesn't want that she's gonna either give to people or sell, you said. This first bin was full of all of the Hallmark keepsake ornaments, so we decided to just start with that bin first since that was our main goal. This is what I think we should do. You tell me if you think this is a good idea or not. I think you should go through, before we even open any of them, pick the ones that you know you don't want to keep.
Okay.
Or vice versa. Or pick the ones you want to keep.
Yeah.
But if you know some right off the bat you know you don't want, just pull them out, let's put them in a bag, and then we can look up how to sell them and stuff later.
This I know I don't want, this Barbie and Ken, so I'm gonna put that over
I'm just
here.
gonna flip them all over so we can just see what you have.
Okay.
And then you can just quickly visualize what you want to keep, what you don't. We have a vintage Etsy store that we haven't sold anything on in a long time that we had opened, I think, when we first started decluttering stuff. And so what we'll do is we will reopen that store, put some of these vintage ornaments on there, and if you're interested, I will have the link down below. So put the ones you're going in here, I think.
That I'm getting rid of?
Yeah, just for now, and we'll find a bag or something.
See, these are tough because I've had them forever. Let me just see what they look like.
Rocking horse.
No, that could be sold.
Mobo horse.
No, that could be sold.
I like them.
You like that on a Christmas tree? Those are pretty cool.
This is gonna be a long process. I just feel it.
Grandma can't part with anything.
I can feel it in my soul here.
This is a maybe. I'm gonna keep it for
So
now.
this is obviously a sentimental declutter here.
Oh, it is.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yes.
I've been collecting this stuff for 35, 40 years.
Yes. We're just gonna take our time here.
Okay.
So this.
That never flipped my switch.
Okay. Okay, what about, this is obviously important, our first Christmas together or no?
That's not you and me, that was
No,
me and Dad.
I know that.
Yes, I'll keep that.
1987 first Christmas together. What does that mean? You and Dad?
No, that was my old boyfriend. So that can go.
Okay. These are all of the ornaments she's going to keep, this side here, and then she still has to go through these. These are all the ornaments that will either be sold or donated. So I will have those up on our vintage Etsy store. How are you feeling about this so far?
I feel like I'm starting to get organized. Oh, you're putting them, oh good, thank you. Don't need that Barbie case. And don't need that Barbie.
These are mini.
They're teeny tiny.
Oh my
For little
gosh.
tiny Christmas. You know how you have the little kids' Christmas tree? The little
But you
one?
have a big Christmas tree.
Well, I know.
This is how mini we're talking about.
Then I'm gonna wake up as an old lady and go, where'd all my things go? No, you're not.
Grandma,
don't remember it.
No, you'll say
Shut it.
thank God I got rid of that stuff when I could.
It's always hard to go through things you've had forever and consider getting rid of it. Hallmark was very clever in the 80s, making us realize that we had to collect things because they were going to be worth a lot of money later in life. When you're old and you're ready to retire, you could probably go on vacation on one little tiny ornament. But no, they aren't worth anything. And then
it was a good marketing ploy.
It was great. They did that with everything.
Most of these ornaments are not worth much more than what she paid for them originally, so that's another reason why she wants to downsize them and sort through the ones that she no longer uses. And this saves so much space by getting rid of the big bulky boxes. And if you're going to be putting them on your tree, you really don't need to save the box because, like she mentioned, it's just not a collectible and not really worth all this effort each year. I just said, do you want to put these in the recycling bin, the boxes that are done? And she's, what, freaking out?
Yeah. Okay. Here I go. All right, here we go. Here goes the boxes. Bye-bye boxes.
She'll be digging that out later.
Hope I don't fall in.
Now this is all we have left from all those boxes down to just this. How does it feel?
Feels smaller.
Amazing.
And the goal is to get rid of one of these boxes, so this might be the one that's leaving.
I always suggest when decluttering to move the stuff you're either getting rid of or going to keep out of the way before you start going through the next pile. So let's put this maybe over there,
okay,
and just so we don't accidentally declutter it.
Yeah. Next is Christmas balls.
You have so many. Okay, I have an idea here. Disco ball colors. And then you have the gold and the red. So I think you should just pick one or the other.
I think I'll keep the colorful ones to get rid of the glitter balls.
Okay. I think it's a really good idea to come up with a decorative theme when it comes to seasonal decor. That way you're not having to store multiple options for each season if you do decorate in your home. And it was pretty simple for my mom to choose the bright colored Christmas tree balls over the shiny and glittered gold balls.
Reduced from 2 boxes all into 1 box so far. We still have 2 more boxes to go through.
We've already accomplished our goal that we had.
Yes.
So we're gonna carry on and see what else we can possibly downsize. This third bin of Christmas decor was full of a bunch of random things. We had tablecloths and towels, just everything under the sun.
I can get rid of that towel. Okay, put that in the get rid of pile. This can go too. These are sentimental items.
We ended up keeping most of what was in this bin, but my mom did decide to get rid of a few items which gave us more room in here.
Of course, we need these.
We're going to declutter these 2 towels. They look super worn out. They're actually falling apart.
Shredding. I always hang their stuff.
I'm thinking, do we need this? So she decided to get rid of the Christmas troll, and we had had that since I was probably 6 or 7 years old.
Goodbye, Angel. Do you like the angel?
Now we're just putting everything back into the box that we decided to keep, and we've put everything down below that we decided to get rid of.
This doesn't do anything for me.
Okay.
Goodbye, Santa.
It's not sparking some joy.
No, that does not spark my joy. My joystick.
We just finished going through everything, and she's decided to donate all of these items and then we're going to either sell or donate the old vintage Hallmark ornament. And how do you feel about all this?
I feel good. It's something that I've been wanting to do. It made it easier with you coming in here.
And we accomplished our goal, which was to empty out at least one of those red bins, and we have one completely empty now, so you're gonna have extra room on your shelf to organize and have more space.
Yes.
And she also took all of the ornaments out of their boxes, and now you have so much more room to fit everything.
Way more. And now I'll use them because now I don't have to put them back into the boxes. That was the deterrent why I would never use my ornament.
This took us about an hour to do everything, and we've accomplished so much. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I will link the video playlist I have of all the videos we've done decluttering your house so far. It's such a fun time every time we declutter together.
Yeah, it is.
If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to never miss a video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye-bye. See you, bye.
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 My face.
Bye-bye.
Super grandma.
What's wrong, like bull?
If you need help decluttering, check out my decluttering ebook, which I've linked down below.